rice onigiri. Measure 2 cups of Thai jasmine rice. Rinse 2 to 3 times with water. Then pour into an electric rice cooker. Add 200 grams of Hainanese chicken rice paste. Then add water to the recommended level in the rice cooker. Stir to mix evenly, then set to cook. Meanwhile, prepare 200 grams of chicken breast meat. I'm using canned chicken breast for convenience. Drain the water from the can. Pour the chicken meat into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and light soy sauce to taste. Mix well and break the chicken meat up into small bits. Next, use a peeler to slice cucumber into very thin slices. Careful with the end of the cucumber. Prepare the onigiri mold. Fill 1/3 of the mold with rice. Press firmly as you fill it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chicken meat into the center. Then fill up 2/3 of the mold with rice again. Cover the mold and press hard on the lid to shake the onigiri well. Gently pop the onigiri out from the mold. Now place 2 slices of cucumber on the onigiri. And it's ready to be served! We are packing these for a party, so I'm wrapping each one in an onigiri plastic wrap. The wrappers make it more hygienic and convenient when eating out. At home though, we forego the plastic. Save the earth! We made 30